Hey everyone, Chris with Diesel Power Products, and on this episode of Boost It, we have a sweet kit here from Kryptonite, this ball joint upgrade. We have these for Cummins, PowerStroke, and Duramax. These are a really inexpensive, awesome ball joint with a Chromoly oversized stud, heavy duty oversized internals. They're greasable, they drop right in, don't need any special tools. They also are made in the USA and come with a lifetime warranty. So whenever these things loosen up, just hit up Kryptonite and get you some new ones. So a really nice ball joint upgrade kit here. If you guys are running lift kit, oversized tires, or just looking for a step up in a ball joint that isn't going to break the bank, these are the ones for you. If you guys have any questions on these, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday Pacific time. You can also reach us on the site via chats or send us an email. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.